Okay, good morning YouTube. Here we have, hopefully this is not a TV. This should in fact be a Costco EBGO e-bike. This is the model CC50. We're going to do an unboxing today. This one is the 48 volt 9 amp lithium battery. It's got a Suntour front suspension, a throttle lever, digital control console, 5 different assist modes, speed regulator, 26-inch double-walled wheels. The tires are 26 by 1.9. It's got a single rear rack, Shimano 8-speed derailleur, hydraulic disc brakes with engine shut-off, suspension under the saddle, adjustable aluminum stem, plastic front and rear mudguards, front LED light, and a LED rear light powered by AA batteries. The bike weight without the battery is 21 kilograms and a battery weight of 3 kilograms. Let's do an unboxing. Here we have inside the box, nicely packaged, some accessories here. Let's take it out. So not much in the accessory boxes. We got some pedals, front wheel skewer, Allen key. We have the charger, and nice long seat post. And a nice comfy saddle. So this is what she looks like out of the box. Front wheel off, just put on the seat post. So the handlebars need attaching. Not much packaging. So I'm trying to adjust these gears, but I've just noticed when you look at the derailleur hanger, just this right here, you can see it's quite bent from shipping. So you can see it's very bent, so we're going to have to make that so it's straight. So okay, so after a little bit of playing around, we straightened up the derailleur hanger and we adjusted the H&L screws. And we got it working okay. It was a little bit tricky. Had to take the bolt off so I can get my derailleur hanger alignment tool in, and then I had to turn the bike upside down to make sure the wheel was seated properly afterwards. But now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We'll put some lube on the chain. So the bike is quite dusty. I don't know why it would be dusty if it's been in the box. Perhaps this has been a display model, I'm not sure. The packaging inside the box wasn't great, so maybe this has been on display somewhere. Again, this is the CC50. So all we had to do is put on the pedals and the front handlebars. And we still need to tighten those handlebars a little bit once we make sure they're in the right place. So I'm also noticing there's no, like, what is this? It doesn't even fit on there properly. There's no screws for it, and it's just all wobbly. What's all that about? Okay, so here we have the EBGO CC50 all set up. Not too sure what to make of it. I would not put it in the same category as a Rad Rover. It's not too bad, but I don't know what's going on here. This just looks like an afterthought. It has the pedal assist plus minus set power button here, and it does have a throttle on this side. I'll show you these close up. So plus minus set power and throttle on this side, the display which is completely loose. I don't know where that's supposed to go. Nice rack. Let's take it for a spin. So there you have the unboxing of the EBGO CC50. I've sent a support request to EBGO about the missing parts, and I'll update you in the description if I get an answer back. Have a good day.